Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of TechInfoSys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your AliExpress application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your AliExpress application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. Before starting the video, let me give you some information about AliExpress application. AliExpress application is your ultimate global shopping destination powered by Alibaba. The AliExpress application brings millions of products right to your fingertips, offering a smooth and seamless online shopping experience like no other. You can explore an extensive store filled with diverse items from trusted sellers worldwide. Whether you're looking for trending fashions, innovative gadgets, or everyday essentials, AliExpress makes it easy to search and find precisely what you want. You can enjoy the convenience of your fast delivery tailored to get your orders to you quickly and reliably. Managing your purchase is hassle free with real time tracking and instant updates right in the application. You can interact directly with the sellers using this application. The integrated payment system lets you pay securely, ensuring your personal information remains always safe. With multiple trusted methods, your checkout process is smooth and worry free. The intuitive design of the AliExpress application helps you browse countless application and virtual stores with ease. Personalized recommendation and curated collection makes your perfect products are always with easy reach, enhancing your personalized shopping journey. Now, to download your AliExpress application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. Click on search button at the bottom right corner of the page. Now, on the search box at the top, type in AliExpress and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. On the next page, click on Install button just below the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you'll be able to download your AliExpress application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more content and tutorials for your convenience on the upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching.